Alright guys, so this is the fabric that I'm working with today. It's a very glittery fabric. It stretches and it's very beautiful. Let's make some magic. Oh, I got thread on it. Hold on. Magic!
Shit, I'm with the gang and we don't finally reach the championship. Now we ballin' like some champions. Sitting on M's, you heard? I had to grind for it. It's 4/4. I'm ballin', I check the scoreboard. Had my whole team rockin' Cartiers in time for it. Counting M's by 25 on the Forbes. Yeah, if you ever doubted me, you just as good as a corpse. But I thank you cause you made me want success even more. My angels with me every day, I'm seeing 444. They never thought that Stella B was hardcore. Showed me the real you, it hurt me to the core. Crazy how the tables turns, I missed the signs out before. I'm ballin' now, I'm with the gang all through your IG explore. With big bottles of champagne draped in Christian Dior. Now we stuntin' like some champions. Chandeliers, marble floors through the mansions. Lay low and counted up to gain expansion. Stay on your bully cause niggas get to contemplating and hating. Cause you finally made it a champion. I'm fighting demons but I take it as a lesson. Grateful for it all so I try to never question. And I understand that your thoughts your biggest weapon. Yeah.
Used to miss out on my sleep, I stayed up thinking about the struggle. Niggas think I cheat, but I just get it off the muscle. Now my pockets deep, they tryna get all in my bubble. Youngins in my street, I pray they staying out of trouble. I keep a group of Benjis on me, I don't need no friends. They never show support until you finally start to win. See niggas switching colors, I've been solo ever since. Don't ran me up a check and I'm gon' run it up again. Going hard like I'm a champion. Blessing $1,000 rings, doing $1 million things. They gon' treat me like a champion. New designer on my jeans, Gucci busting out the scenes. I go hard to be a champion. I go harder for my team, we just tryna live the dream. Safe to say that I'm a champion. And it ain't no in between, ain't no switching my routine.
Now we ballin' like some champions. Yeah, I used to sleep up on the floor, so I got no understanding. Yeah, and I done finally bubbled up. Now I'm ballin' like a champion. Bloody bottoms on my feet, top floors where I'm standing. Yeah. Now we ballin' like some champions. Yeah, I used to sleep up on the floor, so I got no understanding. Yeah, and I done finally bubbled up. Now I'm ballin' like a champion. Bloody bottoms on my feet, top floors where I'm standing. Yeah.
Alright, so I cut this off and I'm gonna go ahead and pin this and add the straps and then the outfit is
We be sipping on that dulce. Now I'm in gooey, gooey. We been sipping on that dulce. Now I'm in gooey, gooey.
Eres bonita, eres bonita, eres bonita.
Now I'm in gooey, gooey.
It's nothing really to like do. So where can we go? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If we can't go to Bella Noche, where the hell can we go?
Yeah, I love this look. The look, baby, the look. I don't know what came into my head and was like, bitch, let me do this and tell Mike to bring them heels. I just knew that it would come perfect. Yes, I like it. I love it. I love this look. No, for real. I love it. I love it.
I like this.
So we are about to go down to the lobby and get some motherfucking photos. Get some photos in.
Hey, vlog.
Hey vlog, this is Maya. She's wearing the outfit for today. Yes, yes. Well, tonight, yes.
But you know, we don't
sleep, baby. We grind.
because I'm unemployed.
Girl.
No,
No, you not, bitch. You got your own business. Nubian Minx, hit her up on Instagram. Get y'all lashes done. And you know, do what you do. Okay, so we gotta find a spot that has an outlet. I pray to God they do. It's looking like they don't. Oh, right here. Perfect. Nah, but that light is gonna make a big difference. Right? That's cute. Oh, yes. You should have told me because I had some Carmex. This looks so good right here. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Yes. You're still my vlog. You're still on my vlog. Yes. Somebody coming down. Okay. So let's get this started. All right, vlog. I have to go. You guys are gonna see the pictures.
Eres bonita, you got me saying oh yo yo, saying oh yo yo, saying oh yo yo. I have you screaming oh yo yo.
I'm on the ground and I'm loving how you do. Every time I come around.